The City of Savannah had to quickly renovate its Bacon Park golf course for the upcoming Savannah City Amateur tournament. This included renovating and replacing bridges at the 15th and 18th holes. A traditional procurement process was too time prohibitive for the deadline, but by using ezIQC, work was completed on the two bridges in less than 3 months.
My name's Doug Patton. I work for the City of Savannah. I'm project manager. My role in this project was essentially to get the project from the design through the construction phase. As project manager, I'm responsible for all aspects of the project. The biggest challenge was the timeline, trying to get the project done for the golf course's grand opening. So we actually had to go get the pricing and get the project approved by our city council before we can move forward. The project timeline was just over a month for construction. It was so much faster because the state's already procured it. The overall benefits using ezIQC for this project, the fact that it was already bid out through the state, all the prices were already known, and it made it a whole lot easier to go through as far as the procurement process on a project on this timeline. The process was very smooth from start to finish, upfront and open and transparent process.